Everyone's favorite and default lip combo is almost always a nude lip. I'm part of everyone. I have decided to pick a random Atrocious lipstick to see whether or not I can create a gorgeous makeup look to complement the lips. In our first episode, a lot of you told me you want to see the lipstick without a lip liner, and you also want to see it sheared out a little bit more compared to wearing it very opaque. So I want to see whether I can incorporate your suggestions from the first video into this video to see how the lip and the makeup look come together. So if you want to see what lip shade I pick and whether or not we can create a makeup look to match it, then keep on watching. If you are new to my channel, my name is Ohemaa. Welcome. If you are a returning subscriber, hey. This is our jar of Atrocious lipsticks I own that essentially are not a nude lip for my skin tone. I mean, I feel like almost all lipsticks that are launched are not nude for my skin tone. So we're gonna see what we can pick in here and what we can create with it. Are you ready? Okay. There are two blue lipsticks in here that I have been dreading picking up. The first one is this gorgeous, this is like a straight up blue lipstick that I didn't pick, so I'm putting it back. Now the lip shade I picked is by Colored Rain. Like the packaging, I can clearly see, like immediately tell this is a Colored Rain lipstick. And it is called Blueprint. I don't know if this is still available. Let's go ahead and swatch it. Okay, here we go. We're gonna swatch this. Wow, this is brand new. I haven't even looked at this lipstick yet because of the tone of it. I thought, you know, I don't really know what this will look like on. Oh my lord. Oh lord. Okay. All right. So looking at this lipstick, at least on my lips, the undertones of this are given purple, pinkish, definitely a bit of blue, mostly on my lower lip because of the tone of my natural lip. This is definitely given pinkish, bluish type of a look. So can I make this work? I don't know. I want to create like very natural looking makeup with the lip combos because somehow I feel like my eyeshadow looks are a bit too bold for the outside world. I don't know. Just like let me know down below in the comments. Okay, so we have our bearings. It's tough. Okay, let's jump into the routine. We're going in with the Hourglass Veil Mineral Primer with SPF 15 in it. Ooh. I think my lip shade is completely influencing me today when it comes to all the shades because the lip shade was given purple bluish. How did I pick a primer that has this purple bluish undertone to it? I don't know. This is what I get for not trying out products before I start using it. It is already on. Next, we're going in with About Face foundation. This is the shade RD3 Neutral, and I'll put a little bit of RD2 Cool in there. Yeah, RD2 Cool. Don't like the doe foot. The doe foot is huge. I don't like when I pull it out and a little bit of the product just like jumps out of the container. I absolutely don't like that. Ohemaa is really mixing shades out here. The way the shade ranges are going. Next, we're going in with the LYS Triple Fix concealers. This is the shade DPN4. We're gonna put that on first, and if we need to, we can go in with a lighter concealer shade. Now we're going in with DPN1 just in the middle, and we're just gonna blend in this concealer shade. Also, we're gonna blend the concealer on the eyes. Okay, you guys, this is the blend. Next, I'm taking some Benign Nutmeg setting powder on my M203 brush. I miss this powder. This is my OG powder. This is the powder that helped me figure out my makeup, and I miss it. I haven't used it in so long, and now I'm back. I definitely have to remember to powder my nose because my nose gets entirely too oily, and that's not a good look. The Rare Beauty blushes, I feel like when they first launched, they definitely were not pigmented enough for me to use, but lately I've been seeing a lot of people use these, and they're saying that, you know, the pigment is almost on par with Juvia's Place, so we're gonna try it out. M201 brush to blend this in. Ooh, it's definitely going to be glowy. course, we're gonna put some over. It's pigmented. I really don't think it's as pigmented as the Juvia's Place one. It's buildable, but Juvia's Place takes a cake when it comes to the pigment of these two. This is buildable, very natural, very subtle. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and, you know, cut our two contours. I'm putting just a little bit of powder over there. Generally not a eyeshadow primer with a brush type of a girl, but because my base is done, I'm definitely gonna ruin it if I use my fingers. So I'm using the Morphe M134 brush to apply this eyeshadow primer to my skin. We're going in with our regular concealer shade. This is the shade DPP1. I'm not using a shade that is entirely too bright for my skin tone because I want everything to blend in together. My Sephora collection brow pencil is completely done, so this is an empty product right now. There's nothing in here anymore. I'm just trying to get whatever little bit of pencil is at the tip, but now it's done. I went ahead and cleaned up my brows a bit with a Morphe M104 brush. This is the eyebrow brush that has a spoolie at the tail of it. I'm gonna go back in with some brow gel, but for now, we're just gonna leave the brows just the way they are right now. I picked the Glam Light Ice Cream Dream palette today. Somebody got into this palette that wasn't me, and you can see they stuck their fingers all inside of it. But let me show you what it looks like, and then I'll show you which shades I'll be using. I decided to go the orange route to try to, you know, help balance out the shade. Perfect example actually is also from Colored Rain, where if you look at this lipstick container, you can tell that it has some purples in there, but it also has some oranges in there as well. The orange and the purples will work very beautifully together. Lord, wish me luck on this. First, I'm going in with the shade Pumpkin. Okay, the shade Pumpkin is a bit too light for my skin tone and for the look that I want to go for. So I am going to switch to the shade Butter Pecan, and let's see if that will work a lot better. And we're just going to blend it over the crease. So every eye has its natural crease. It's gonna be that little indentation right there. I'm using the Morphe M333 brush to place this down. I'm just making sure to keep the shade right at the end of my eye because I don't want to have like a wing look today. I want my eyeshadow to be very contained to my eye. Ooh, there's a gorgeous purple shade in here that I think will look beautiful on the middle part of the eye. Next, we're going with this very deep pink shade called Black Cherry, and we're taking the M332 brush. We're only going to keep the shade in the crease, and we're not taking too much of it, okay? I tapped into it, and whatever I got is what I'm putting down. I just need my transition to have a slight pinkish, purplish hue to it, and I'm going to place this in my crease and on the outer corner and inner corner of my eye towards the middle of my eye, okay? Going back into our orange transition shade, I'm once again going to go over everything because I still want that orange to be more prominent in the look. So going over it again just ensures that you see more orange than you see pink. Next, we're taking the M303 brush. We're going into this shade called Taro, and I'm placing Taro right in the middle of everything. I'm not using any eyeshadow glue, eyeshadow base. I'm not using anything to keep this purple down, and I'm also keeping it in my crease, not going past my crease like at all, but keeping it right on the crease. Glam Light is on something because for a pressed shimmer shade to be able to do this on the eye, that is insane, right? It is absolutely stunning. Taking our orange shade, we're gonna blend out on the outside again. We're going into our Black Cherry shade, and we'll use that to blend the outer edges of this purple so that it doesn't look like it doesn't belong on the skin. It also gives it like a gorgeous shadow gradient type of a look. I love it. Is it gonna look good with this? Going in with a black eyeliner, and we're just gonna line the water, both the upper and the lower waterline, by just closing our eyes onto the tip of the pencil and just moving it back and forth. Usually if I try this any other way, I always end up with eyeliner on my eyeshadow, and I don't like that. We're going in with a small liner. For the lower lash line, we're using Butter Pecan, and we're gonna blend some on the lower lash line. I have to look up for this part. For directly below my lash line, I'm going in with Black Cherry, and I'll put that like right on my lashes, like right below the black. That shade is so intense. Thrive Cosmetics Tubing Mascara. Okay, we're using some lashes I picked up from Amazon. Okay, next I'm going in with a Blend Bunny Highlighter Quad. So this is a Blend Bunny Highlighter Quad called Simply Put. It has a cool look to it. I am very lightly taking this shade because I don't want this makeup look to come out like the other look that I tried, but I do want a slight bit of like a purple hue to a highlighter that I put on there just to keep that cool tone going. When you see it, you see it, and when you don't see it, it's not like jumping out at you type of a situation. I'm just gonna highlight all the parts of my face that I want highlighted. I'm gonna set with a Sephora Collection makeup setting spray. We're not gonna line our lips. Oh Lord. On the outer corner, I'm gonna make it a little bit more opaque. Okay, so this is a finished look of me attempting to style an atrocious looking lip shade. Of course, this lip shade by itself is not something I would reach for on, like, you know, going on a date or anything. But after I styled it like this, I will definitely wear this look with like a gorgeous pink outfit, a gorgeous purple outfit, a gorgeous orange outfit with some gold jewelry, silver jewelry, depending on the vibe. But I love the look. I wasn't meaning to do a monochromatic look, but the shimmer shade that I chose was an exact match for the lip. I want to try this lip actually over an orange lipstick just to see what it would look like. So let's go ahead and try it out and see what it's gonna look like. Okay, so this is actually also a Colored Rain lipstick called Satin. It is an orange shade. Ooh, it is definitely, I like this shade with the look. This lip looks very gorgeous. Because I didn't choose an orange lip, I can't just use the orange as my final lip look. So I'm gonna put the gloss over the orange like I intended. It looks really good over the orange lip. I love this. Oh my Lord. I love this lip combo. Let me know down below in the comments what you think about this lip option, this eyeshadow look. Would you try this? Did I nail it? Did I fail at it? Let me know down below in the comments. And if you have any more suggestions, leave them. Let me know if you would try this look. Also, let me know how I did. Thank you so much for watching. Love you lots. Bye.